You're a dumb person. Oh my gosh. Let's play together. Let's do this so quick. Do not step there. Why? There's nothing there. If you step on a crack, you break your sister's back. Good thing I didn't step there. Whoops.
I'm having a good day.
I'm gonna stomp on it either and kick it and punch it and step on it.
Stop.
See? Nothing happened. Just wait. Dun 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 dun. Hi. He's the real Ding.